In this video, I'm going to talk about top 9 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's talk directly about these free certification courses. The first course is here Object-Oriented Programming from Basics to Advanced Java. In this course, you'll be able to learn OOP, solid principles with Java examples, implement backend part for online store by the end of this course. Now going for the second course, and it is functional programming plus lambdas method reference streams. In this course you'll be able to learn amazing features in Java with functional programming, lambda functions, method reference and stream API. Now going for third course, and it is object direction web develop app with TensorFlow, OpenCV and Flask. In this course, you'll be able to build an object detection model from scratch using deep learning and transfer learning. Now going for the next course, and it is HTML and CSS certification course for beginners. In this course, you'll be able to learn the foundation of HTML and CSS to create fully customized mobile responsive web pages. Now going for the next course, and it is SQL programming and MySQL developer certification training. In this course, you'll be able to learn SQL programming with MySQL database from scratch, SQL commands, function, expression, joins, procedure, abuse. Then going for the next course, and it is Java Collections Framework plus Generics, Lambdas and Stream API. In this course, you'll be able to learn Java Collections Framework from scratch to pro level with practical exercise. Now the next course is build 80 mini projects in Python from scratch. You can improve your resume and portfolio after doing these courses. The next course is Python demonstration for practice course. This course is a depth introduction to fundamental Python programming concepts by demonstration in Python programming. Now the last course is create amazing BUI apps with JavaScript. In this course, you'll be able to learn how to snatch the most in-demand role in tech field today. So you'll get the link all of these courses in the video description. Check description and get the link.